Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to Jock's Jumbo Jets. On behalf of the captain and crew, we hope you have a joyous and jovial journey. Please fasten your seatbelts and prepare to jet away. The letter name is J and the sound is J. The letter name is J and the sound is J. J is for jam and jelly beans in a jar. J is for jelly jiggling around on a jet. J is for jet in June over Japan. The letter name is J and the sound is J. The letter name is J and the sound is J. The letter name is J and the sound is J. J is for jacket wearing January when juggling jewels. J is for juice, surf it, jelly and jam. J is for jump the Joey jetpacks to Jupiter. The letter name is J and the sound is J. The letter name is J and the sound is J.